Everyday English conversation practice. At the gas station. Filling up the tank.
Hi. I need to fill up my tank, please.
Sure. What type of fuel do you need?
I'll go with regular unleaded, please.
All right. Just pull up to pump number 3. And I'll get you set up.
Thanks. How much is it per gallon?
It's about $3.25 per gallon today.
That's a little more than I expected. Is the price usually like this?
Prices fluctuate depending on the day and market conditions, but it's generally around this price range.
Got it. I'll just go ahead and fill it up.
Sounds good. If you need any help, just let me know.
I will. Thanks for your help.
No problem. Have a safe drive.
Thanks. You too.
Paying for gas.
Hi. I just filled up my car. How much do I owe you?
Let me check. Looks like you pumped $35 worth of gas.
Okay, I'll pay with my credit card.
No problem. Just insert your card into the reader, and it will take care of the payment.
All right. Here we go. Is the payment secure?
Yes. The system uses encryption to keep all transactions safe. It should take just a moment.
Great. Can I also get a receipt for this?
Absolutely. Once the payment is processed, the receipt will print right out.
Thank you. I always forget to grab one, but I need it for my records.
It's always a good idea to keep track of your gas expenses. If you ever need a duplicate receipt, we can print one for you.
That's reassuring to know. I'll make sure to keep it this time.
Excellent. The payment went through, and here's your receipt. Have a great day.
Thanks. You too. Stay safe.
Asking for directions.
Excuse me. Could you help me with directions? I'm trying to find the nearest highway.
Sure. Are you heading north or south?
I'm heading north, but I'm not familiar with this area.
No problem. Head out of the gas station and take the first right. Then, just follow that road for about 2 miles.
All right. And will I see the highway right away?
Yes. Just stay on the road, and you'll see signs for the highway entrance on your left.
Perfect. I was a little worried I'd get lost.
Don't worry, it's a straight shot. Just make sure to watch for the signs.
Thanks for making it so easy. I appreciate it.
No problem. Have a safe trip, and feel free to stop by if you need anything else.
I will. Take care.
Buying snacks and drinks.
Hi! I'd like to grab a few things for the road. Do you have any snacks or drinks here?
Of course. We have a variety of snacks, chips, candy, and bottled drinks. What are you looking for?
I'm in the mood for something sweet. Do you have any chocolate bars?
Yes, we have a few options. There's milk chocolate, dark chocolate, and even some with nuts.
I'll take a milk chocolate one, please. And I'd also like a bottle of water.
Sure. Here you go. We also have flavored waters if you prefer something a little different.
I'll stick with regular water today. Thanks.
No problem. Would you like anything else? We also have some fresh sandwiches and salads in the cooler.
I'm good for now. Just those 2 items.
All right. That will be $6.50.
Here's my card.
Thank you. It's always a good idea to stay hydrated on the road.
Absolutely. Thanks for the snacks, and have a great day.
You too. Enjoy your trip and safe travels.
Asking about gas prices.
Excuse me. Could you tell me what the price of gas is today?
Sure. The regular unleaded is $3.15 per gallon.
Oh, that's a little higher than last time. Is it usually like this around here?
Prices can vary depending on the day and location. They tend to go up around the holidays or when demand is higher.
That makes sense. I drive a lot for work, so I notice the price fluctuations more.
I completely understand. It can really add up over time.
Exactly. I was hoping to find a gas station with lower prices, but it seems like they're all about the same.
Sometimes it's just about convenience. A few cents difference may not be worth driving further to save, especially when you factor in the gas you'd use.
True. I guess it's just the cost of keeping my car running.
Yeah. It's the price we pay for transportation. I've noticed the same thing with prices around here.
I've heard that gas prices might drop soon. Is that true?
Well, it's hard to predict exactly. But usually, they drop a little after the holidays or once supply catches up with demand.
I'll keep my fingers crossed for that. Thanks for the info.
No problem. Let me know if you need anything else.
Will do. Thanks.
Checking tire pressure.
Hi there. I noticed my tire pressure light came on. Can you help me check the pressure?
Of course. We have a free air pump right over there. Let me show you how to use it.
Great, thanks. I wasn't sure how to use it properly.
No problem. First, you'll need to take off the valve cap. You'll see it right here on your tire.
Got it, like this.
Exactly. Now, you just attach the air hose to the valve. You'll hear it start pumping air into the tire.
How do I know when it's full?
You can either listen for the sound to change, or you can use the gauge on the pump to check the pressure. It should be between 32 and 35 psi.
Ah, okay. I think one of my tires is low, so I'll make sure to fill it up.
Good idea. If the light stays on after you've checked and filled the tires, it might mean there's a slow leak.
I'll keep an eye on it. I haven't had any tire issues before, so this is new for me.
It's always a good idea to check the pressure regularly. Tire pressure affects fuel efficiency and safety.
I didn't realize that. Thanks for letting me know.
No problem. Just let me know if you need anything else.
I will. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Drive safely.
Getting a car wash.
Hi! I'd like to get a car wash. Do you have any options for that?
Yes. We offer 3 types of washes: the basic wash, the deluxe wash, and the premium wash. The premium wash includes waxing and tire cleaning.
I think I'll go with the deluxe wash. How long does it take?
The deluxe wash takes about 10 minutes. It's a great choice if you want your car to look nice and shiny.
Perfect. I've been needing one for a while. My car is pretty dirty.
It happens to the best of us. The deluxe wash will take care of the dirt, the windows, and even the wheels.
That sounds great. Is there anything I need to do before the wash?
Just make sure the car is in neutral and that the windows are rolled up. If you have any antennas or loose items on the roof, be sure to take those off.
Got it. I'll take care of that.
Once you've done that, just pull up to the wash area and we'll take it from there.
Sounds easy enough. How much is the deluxe wash?
The deluxe wash is $15.
That's not too bad for everything it includes.
It's definitely worth it. Plus, you'll feel like you're driving a brand new car.
I can't wait.
Let me know when you're ready, and we'll get started.
I'm ready now. Let's do it.
Perfect. I'll get you set up.